Hi, this is Teresa Momber, and in today's video I'll show you how to create this card using images from my new stamp set, Birds and Blossoms 2 from Gina K Designs. Trim white cardstock to 4 by 2 3/4 inches and then place a circle mask on the cardstock. Begin sponging using Gina K Bubblegum Pink ink. Tap off excess ink onto scratch paper and build the ink up very slowly. After you have a nice layer of ink all over, build the ink up heavier on the bottom of the cardstock and work your way up toward the mask. Switch to Gina K Dusty Rose ink and continue sponging, starting at the bottom and working your way partway up. Next, use Gina K Cherry Red ink and continue sponging. Switch to Gina K Black Onyx ink and sponge along the bottom once again, but be sure to tap off the excess ink onto scratch paper. Now use Gina K Lovely Lavender ink and sponge along the top of the cardstock. Now remove the mask. Use the large branch image from the Birds and Blossoms 2 stamp set from Gina K Designs and stamp the image using Gina K Black Onyx ink. Stamp the bird using Black Onyx ink. Next, stamp the sentiment, also with Black Onyx ink. Trim black cardstock to slightly wider and about ½ inch longer than the image layer, and adhere, keeping the extra length at the bottom. Wrap silver cord around that wide border at the bottom and adhere on the back with tape. Add adhesive foam squares to the back of your layers and then adhere to a 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inch white card base. And that completes today's card project. Thanks for watching.